Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. Today we're going to be working on the Mutt Mobile. This came out in 1971. It's just a personal favorite of mine. Really enjoy looking at this car. Love the name. I love the style. Just a great looking car. Painted in pink. And according to this book, I don't know if you can see this or not, but here is magenta, which is very similar to pink, and it's worth $200 loose. So that's a lot for this car. I guess I made a bunch of these. So let's go ahead and get started. We got it drilled apart. Went ahead and stripped it. So we got the top. Got the little cage where the puppies are kept. Got some little puppies in here. Cute. Got the motor. Base. I think I'm gonna leave those wheels alone. Those wheels look pretty good. And we got the body. So what we'll do is we'll take this to the paint shop and paint it, and we'll be right back. We're back from the paint shop. We got her painted. Looks pretty good. All we gotta do now is put her back together. Be right back. We started with this. And we finished up with this. Okay guys, that wraps this one up. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Click the little bell for future notifications of uploaded videos. Appreciate your comments. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video, or a thumbs down if you didn't. We'll catch you on the next one. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you later.